Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to send flowers to Poland. Now, Poland is a country in Northern Europe, between mainland Europe and Russia. So it's one of the countries that's in between, and right now it's very politically stable, although it hasn't been all the time. And so it's pretty easy to send flowers to Poland, and there's a lot of different options. There's lots of options when you're shipping flowers to someone in Poland. And probably your best advice is to go online to the nearest town where that person lives and find out if there's a flower shop that possibly has an online site, and you can order directly from them, and then you can skip the middleman. You can also go to ftd.com or any of proflowers.com or any of the companies that work worldwide, and they all have networks into Poland. But there's also different flower networks in Poland themselves that can save you money as well. Okay, this webpage right here is called polskipresents.com, and that's polskipresents.com. And you can get roses or arrangements or wreaths or pretty much anything shipped to someone right directly in Poland. And it's an easy way to order the flowers. And you can order right online using your credit card. Now here's another website called kwiaciarniaflora.com.pl for Poland. And that's kwiaciarniaflora.com.pl. And the website's in Polish, but I can't read Polish, but look, they have a English version or English flag. You click on that, and it becomes English. And so then you can order all types of flowers right online to have delivered to your friends and family in Poland. So there's lots of options. You can go right to a florist in the hometown where you want to send the flowers. You can go through a ftd.com or proflowers.com, or you can go through a couple different websites right in Poland. But do your research, check out what your best option is, and go with that one.